Today's pharmaceutical manufacturers must enable full visibility of their plant's operations to ensure quality and patient safety. To do so, it's imperative to leverage digital tools and advanced automation technologies. With Siemens Smart Manufacturing Solution for Pharmaceuticals, you'll maximize operational efficiency and output. By leveraging advanced digital and automation technologies, pharma manufacturers can gain insight into performance, quality, and sustainability, and use that intelligence to initiate corrective actions, reduce downtime with predictive maintenance, and improve plant and process efficiency based on intuitive dashboards that conceptualize both historical and real-time data. By adopting smart manufacturing practices, you'll be able to consistently meet your manufacturing targets and respond to market shifts proactively. Our solution will equip you with effective data integration tools, predictive modeling, and IT/OT integration for increased operational efficiency. When time is of the essence and each minute saved can mean one more life saved, make sure you can drive continuous improvement of your operations to ensure timely availability of raw materials and finished medicines. Optimize your operations with a Siemens Smart Manufacturing Solution for Pharmaceuticals. Leverage the latest software and automation technologies to enable an intelligent, lean, and sustainable approach and deliver life-saving products to patients faster.